Hello friends, welcome to Finance World. So as you all know, on 3 February 2022, that is on Thursday, Meta shares fell by 25% in a day, which wiped off $220 billion of the company's value. But do you know the reasons behind this fall? Don't worry, I am going to tell you 4 major reasons in this video. So before starting the video, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please hit that subscribe button because it gives me motivation to create videos for you guys. And also I have started a new series, that is stock analysis, in which I provide the fundamental as well as the technical analysis of the companies which are fundamentally good and can provide good returns in the future. So I will provide the link for the same in the description also. You can check that. So these are the 4 major reasons which we are gonna talk about, and we will discuss it one by one. So the first reason is declining users numbers at Facebook. So the Facebook, which is the biggest company of Meta, has shown a decline in the average daily users since the company has founded in 2004, and the major decline was from the USA and Africa. So this is a concern for the company. Why? Because the company has to grow outside the USA because the USA is the main market for the Meta. So it has to grow outside of the USA, but the growth fell in the USA too. So this is the major concern for the companies as well as for investors. Coming to the second point, TikTok. Okay, so some of you might be thinking that what is this? Is this the market cap of Meta? So no, this is not the market cap of Meta, and this is not the share price of Meta as well. So I'm gonna tell you this at the end of the video. So watch the video till the end. So coming to this point, TikTok, it is a major problem for the company. According to Mark Zuckerberg, it is a key contributor for this first reason, that is declining users numbers. Do you know TikTok has a 1 billion user base worldwide, and which is huge, and that is creating problems for the company. So for example, I have also an account at Facebook, but I am not active there. But I have a page on Instagram. So I will share my profile in description. Check out my page after this after you watch this video. So coming to this point, so due to TikTok, Meta is struggling to compete in the market of young consumers, but they have launched the new feature, that is Reels, as you all know. So according to Mark Zuckerberg, the Reels is the rival of the TikTok, and they have a long-term vision on Reels also. So coming to the third point, that is hits to revenue growth. Do you know 97% of the Facebook revenue comes from the advertisement by building up their user profile according to advertiser needs. For example, if an advertiser is looking for a consumer in a certain location with certain hobbies, then what they do, they direct those ads to those consumers. But according to Meta, recent changes with iOS software has created problems for their company. Why? Because Apple now requires users to give permission to the companies like Meta to gather information about them, that what they browse across the web. And unsurprisingly, people click on no thanks, and this has made their ad targeting less effective. And this has, due to this reason, in this quarter there is a decline in their revenue as well. So coming to the fourth and the last point, Metaverse. Metaverse, you all know, it is a digital world where people can carry out their social as well as professional lives in a virtual reality. So but this project is years away from being a part of the people's lives, and also the Meta's virtual reality unit, which is Reality Labs, and which includes the top-selling VR headsets, had shown a loss of $3.3 billion in revenue less than $1 billion. So that's why metaverse is also a major factor for this fall. So these are the four reasons for this fall. If you think that there are more reasons other than this, then tell me that in the comment section. And if this is the company that I will give you a fundamental analysis of this company in my next video. I can give you a hint that it is a IT software company, and its market cap is 926 crore and share price of 69.5. Tell me which company I am talking about in the comment section. And if you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more finance related videos. Thank you.